I know you've been going around, you've been looking for original shea butter, you've been buying several types of shea butter, and they are not doing what you ask them to do. What do shea butter do for you? One, shea butter can remove scares, like you have an accident, you have a scares, a spot, anything like that, shea butter removes it. If you have stretch mark from pregnancy, you start using shea butter when you are pregnant and keep using it, it will clear all the spots. Yes, original shea butter will clear all the spots. The same thing goes with eczema, pimples, whatever you have. Just use shea butter naturally. Don't mix it with anything. Just use it naturally, and all the spots will get clear. You have eczema, you have pimples. Use original shea butter. Again, if you have backbone, like you are tired, you are always tired, you always have back pain, front pain, whatever pain, just start using shea butter to rub the body. It's massaging, it stretches the body for you. You have cough, catarrh, your nose is blocking all the time. Take shea butter, put it on your nose, clear your nose, and you'll be amazed at the instant effect it's going to give you. When I said original shea butter, I meant original shea butter. And so you see, it does a lot of. Then when you have your baby, shea butter is recommended for babies, as in, despite, because it has no chemical, no mixture, no anything. It's naturally made. It's naturally made. So when you use shea butter for your babies, in the napkins, in the body, the skin will be very smooth. There will be no rashes. There will be no anything. So shea butter is really, really recommended for you. Original one. Right there on the street, you see a lot of mixed diluted shea butter because people are looking for quantity. So if you are looking for quality, I recommend this shea butter for you. And if you want to get the shea butter, just call our number on 08061559015, or you go to my Facebook page, Adesola Yinka, and you are going to get this.